you up? The Macarena? Well, you had to at least do something.
It's like a retard.
Sit down.
Playing with your... What are you doing? We're playing charades. What are you doing? Oh, lifting you up on your legs? I don't know.
Jade, you have to guess.
I am. I can't tell. Am I supposed to know what that is?
Olivia,
Stretching.
do you have any clue by now?
Stretching.